In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade an image in Figma. This technique is great for creating stunning visuals and adding depth to your designs. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first step is to open Figma and start a new file or use an existing one where you want to fade your image. Once you are in the file, go ahead and drag and drop your image right into the canvas. This straightforward action is the foundation of what we'll be working with today. Now that your image is uploaded, the next step is to create a rectangle over this image. This will ultimately be used as the fading mask. To create the rectangle, simply select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and draw it over your image, ensuring it fully covers the area you want to fade. Once you've drawn your rectangle, right-click on it and look for the option that says Send to Back. This will place the rectangle behind your image, allowing the fade effect to be applied effectively. Now that your rectangle is positioned correctly, select it, and over in the right sidebar, you should see a section labeled Fill. Click on the Fill option, and you will notice two bars, one labeled Custom and the other Libraries. You want to be focusing on the Custom bar for our purposes today. Next, click on the Highlight option. This will allow you to customize the fill color. Once you are done, look in the Custom area again and select Gradient. This is where the magic happens. After switching to Gradient, you will see various options for adjusting the gradient direction. You can choose the direction of your fade, so select the one that best suits your design. Once that's set, take a look at the gradient stops. These are located just below the gradient settings. You will see a white portion representing one end of your gradient. Make sure its percentage is set to 0%. On the opposite end, corresponding to the darker part, the percentage should be 100%. This is essential for creating a smooth transition. Now let's focus on that black color that you see on the gradient settings. You want to adjust its percentage from 100% to 0%. This change will help to create that fading effect we are aiming for. Once you've completed this step, you should be able to see the background rectangle fade from black to white, creating a soft transition. If everything looks good so far, it's time to refine it a bit further. Hold down the Shift key and then select both the rectangle and the image. After selecting both, right-click again and look for the Use as Mask option. Selecting this will apply the fading effect you created directly to the image. If you followed all these steps correctly, you should now see your image beautifully fading from one side to the other. This technique can elevate your projects and give them that professional touch. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to fade an image in Figma. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to catch more tips and tricks. Happy designing!